you know that only 9% of people ever achieve true financial independence? That means the vast majority spend their entire lives working paycheck to paycheck, never breaking free from financial stress. But what if I told you there's one key lesson that completely transformed my financial future? In this video, I'm taking on the challenge of sharing the exact realization that shifted my mindset and allowed me to achieve financial freedom. If you've ever felt stuck in your financial journey, this lesson might be the missing piece you need. Stick around, because this could change everything for you. What does financial freedom really mean? For some, it's about never worrying about bills again. For others, it's about having the ability to travel, spend time with family, or pursue their passions without being tied to a 9-to-5 job. For me, financial freedom was more than just a dream, it was a necessity. I grew up believing that working hard was the only way to succeed, but no matter how much effort I put in, I always felt like I was falling behind. That's when I realized that financial success isn't just about hard work, it's about working smart. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to break free from financial stress while others stay trapped in the same cycle, no matter how hard they work? What if I told you there's one key lesson that changed everything for me? A lesson that took me from struggling to thriving. In the next 30 minutes, I'm going to take you on a journey through my financial transformation, breaking down the biggest challenges, the most powerful mindset shifts, and the exact steps you can take to start building true financial independence. This isn't just theory. This is real, actionable advice that you can apply right away. So, if you're serious about changing your financial future, stick around until the end, because what I'm about to share could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. Most people struggle to achieve financial freedom because of these common obstacles. Limited mindset. We're taught to work for money, but rarely taught how to make money work for us. Living paycheck to paycheck. Even high earners can fall into this trap if they don't understand financial management. Fear of investing. Many people avoid investing due to fear of risk or lack of knowledge. Relying solely on one income stream. The biggest mistake most people make is depending only on their job for financial security. Ignoring financial education. Schools don't teach personal finance, so we're left to figure it out on our own. These challenges are real, but they can be overcome. I know because I faced every single one of them. And today, I want to show you how I broke free. So what changed for me? It all started when I learned the power of leveraging multiple income streams and adopting an investor mindset instead of a worker mindset. Here are the specific strategies that transformed my finances. Understanding assets versus liabilities. I stopped buying things that took money out of my pocket and started focusing on acquiring assets. Building passive income. I diversified my income by creating revenue streams that didn't require my daily involvement. Smart investing. I educated myself on low-risk investments, real estate, and compounding wealth over time. Mastering the power of budgeting. I tracked every dollar I spent and redirected wasted money into wealth-building activities. Shifting my mindset. I stopped seeing money as something to earn and spend, and started viewing it as a tool to generate more wealth. I remember the exact moment I realized that my approach to money had been completely wrong. I was working a job that paid decently, but I was still stressed about expenses. One day, I met someone who had achieved financial freedom. Not through extreme wealth, but through financial intelligence. He told me something I'll never forget. You don't get rich by working harder. You get rich by making smarter decisions. That hit me like a ton of bricks. I had spent years thinking that success was about grinding endlessly, but in reality, it was about understanding how to make money work for me. So, what's the biggest takeaway from my journey? 1. Financial freedom is possible for anyone. 2. But it requires a shift in mindset. 3. Working harder isn't the answer. 4. Working smarter is. Invest in assets, create multiple income streams, and educate yourself about money. It took me years to figure this out, but you don't have to wait that long. You now have the key insights that can change your financial future starting today. Call to action, background music, motivational and energetic. Now it's your turn. I want to hear from you. What's the biggest financial challenge you're currently facing? Which of these lessons resonates the most with you? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation about financial freedom. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you're ready to take your financial journey to the next level, check out the resources linked in the description. Remember, financial freedom isn't just for the lucky, it's for those who take action. Stay focused, stay determined, and I'll see you in the next video. We've covered a lot in just 30 minutes, but the journey doesn't stop here. You now have the key lesson that changed everything for me, the lesson that shifted my mindset, my actions, and ultimately, my financial future. But knowledge alone isn't enough. The real question is, what will you do with it? Are you going to let this be just another video you watched, or are you going to take action? Let me know in the comments. What's the first step you're going to take toward financial freedom? I read every single comment, and I want to hear your thoughts. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. And if you're ready for the next step, check out the free resource I've linked in the description to help you start building your wealth today. Until next time, remember, financial freedom isn't just for the lucky, it's for those who take action. Stay focused, stay determined, and I'll see you in the next video.